Got fish.
Good fish?
Yep. Catfish.
Huh?
Catfish. Definitely catfish. I want you to eat this. This will be good. This will be like Wild America. Awesome. I'm gonna watch. This is great.
That other guy flew over. I think he wants them.
I can't find it. There he is. The fish is still alive. Oh, stabbed him. Dude, this is...
Ew.
He's getting him. He's still alive. Just fish him off, come on. Woo. Still alive. Come on, get him. There you go. Ooh, nice bleed. He's still alive, dude. Get him. Woo! Jet.
7 drownings a year.
Yeah, see this dude. We can't get him.
Maybe it's like the poison.
Jet, look at this dude. Yeah, look at this. What? What's our gas? What? Oh, whoa. Oh, that's like National Geographic. Animal Planet. Did you see him get it out of the water? I saw him fly over with it. I didn't see him get it. Ooh, this is the catfish. Look at him, he's like kind of decapitated with his... What? Did we get him? Oh! This is going to be so insane to watch later. Can we sell this to National Geographic or Animal Planet or one of us, whatever? Oh, no way! Shut up! Oh, he didn't get it in? Oh, man. He just tried to one-bite that thing. It's a catfish too. Oh yeah, it is. You can see the whiskers. Yeah, he's got that definite catfish. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's he gonna do? It's like stuck in the top of his head. That's gotta go either up or down, dude. You can't keep it there. What's he doing? Whoa. What happened? He spit it out? I don't think so. His head's not big anymore. Maybe he did. Or he swallowed it, but I don't think he would bend over to swallow it. It's definitely not in his head or in his throat, top of his throat anymore. If it's not there, did you get it? I don't know. It seems to kind of not be interested in it. He either realized he couldn't eat it and gave up, or
He got it.
wow. Dude, he just ate the whole thing.
Ate it in one bite.
Whole thing.
Finally.
This was insane. He was like trying to chop it with his beak. This was total National Geographic, Animal Planet, happy day.